He can ride a Bermuda buggy ride, and old-fashioned huggy ride, while the moon is bright outside. Get your gal, sit your gal right in your lap, grab your whip and make it snap, while the horse goes giddy-ap. You'll hum and sway as the buggy sways beneath the power. Let it sway, then she'll sway right in your arms. Now it's grand to have the best gal by your side, on a seat that's not too wide, to give a Bermuda buggy ride.
And I won't be late. Pick her up in my 88. Ooh, what a rocket. Well, me and my baby were moving through outer space. Oh, yeah. Me and my baby were moving through outer space. When we crashed through the Milky Way, now my baby didn't have too much to say. She grabbed my hand and she started to flip. She said, honey, don't you wreck the ship. Ooh, what a rocket.
Camera, can a chop. Watch the birdie, come on and give it all you got.